Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Today is the Ekadashi day. That's why today morning I made the buckwheat recipe for the morning thali. Also I made another recipe with this. Please watch my video till end that you can find the another recipe. So friends, for making the buckwheat khichdi, I soaked the buckwheat all the night. Then I washed it very nicely in the morning and give it to the pressure cooker. Also I give some chopped pumpkin, green bananas and potato, and give some salt and green chili into it and give 3 whistles of the pressure cooker. After that I take a kadai and give some oil and give the white cumin into it and give all the boiled item into it and fry it very nicely. After that I will give some hot water into it and boil it for 1 to 2 minutes more. Then our recipe will be ready. After that I will fry some potato chips, you can see. Then I will give some fruits. I give here mosombi fruits. With this our today's Ekadashi morning thali is ready to serve. If you like this video, please share this video to your family and your friends and subscribe my channel. Please comment me if you like this video, it is inspiring me. Thank you for watching my video.